Hello children. So now let us learn how to write sentences using the word th, the, is, is. Here we are going to write the cursive, capital cursive T. This is the capital cursive T. As I write, you can practice and learn with me. Alright, so let's begin by writing the date. What is the date today? Today is 8.12.2020. You can also write the classwork on the top. After writing that, we come already to the number 1 sentence. There's already a picture drawn there and there's a sentence given there. So this is a picture of a mop, and what is written there? Cursive T and H, the, is, this is a mop, and a full stop there. Similarly, we will also draw pictures and we will frame sentences. We draw the pictures very close by so that anything that is close or near to us, we start by saying this. We start the sentence by saying this is a. Suppose now ma'am is going to draw. You can just draw with me and identify what ma'am is drawing. You already know these pictures. You've learned them before while doing the vowel sounds and the words. So you can guess what I am drawing over here. What is this? This. Now how to write T? Watch ma'am carefully. We are beginning just below the first line. A small curve. Take it up. Touch the top line. Bring it back slightly down. Again touch. Make a curve or a wave like that. And now bring it down to the third line and make a small curve upwards. And with this, very close to this, we start writing or making H. The, E, S, this. And you leave one finger space and write E, S, is. This is a. Again one finger space. And what is this? This is a, you already know, pa, a, na, pan, and a full stop there. So that's a sentence using this, and you can see we have left spaces in between. Now let's draw another picture and you can guess what is that. I'm drawing 2 parallel lines. You already know how to draw these pictures. Your ma'am would have taught you, and you could, now you can guess what is this. This is a. Now again watch how I am going to write T very carefully. Start just below the red line, top red line. Make a small loop or a curve like that and make a little wave. Bring it down, down, down. Turn around. So this is your T, T, and H. The, E, S, this is a. What is this? You already have guessed it. This is a P, E, N, pen, and a full stop. Now let's look at the third sentence and the third picture. Again, try and guess. I'm drawing an oval and a small thin triangle below that. What is this? Again, watch how I'm going to write T. Start just below the top red line. Curve, make a curve like that. Take it back again to the third line and a curve there. Start from the third line, loop, and H, TH, the, S, this is a, what is this? P, P, E, N. P, E, N, pen, and a full stop. Now I'm going to draw another picture and let's see if you can guess what is that. I'm drawing very simple pictures. What is this? This, again make a T, capital cursive T, H, the, E, S, this. This is a, D, O, T, dot, and a full stop. This is a dot. Now let's draw another picture. I am drawing an oval and I'm drawing two lines very close to each other. Yes, you have guessed it already. This is a, what is this? You already know about it. This is a walnut. So again, capital cursive T, very close to that. Don't take it too far away. The H, the, E, S, this is a, what is this? Is a N, A, T, nut, and a full stop. This is a nut. Now another, let's make another picture and you can guess. Now I'm going to use a word which is 4-letter word. So make a standing line and two slanting lines like this, join it with another line and try to guess what am I drawing. What is this? This is a plug. So let's see how to write it. Again, T, H, very close to this, not very far away. The is this is a, what is it? Plug. P, L, A, G, plug. This is a plug. So children, you can practice in the space given more sentences, or you can simply practice how to write T and H together. So don't take it too further. If you write it like this and you start from H from here, it would be wrong. This would be wrong. It has to be very, very close by. So this is your T and start the H from the third line very close to the T, capital, and H like that. Okay, so you can practice TH, writing TH there. So children, keep practicing the sentences. You already know a lot of words. You can practice framing sentences with those words. Thank you.